Hello everyone, welcome to Mary's Creative Decor. If you're a subscriber, I want to thank you for watching. And if this is your first time stopping by, make sure you become a part of the Creative Decor family. Hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hey everyone, I'm so happy that you all decided to drop by today. This is the project that I'll be working on, this picture. Now I do have 8 of them. And it's really plain. It's just a plaster piece with a design with a metal frame. But it's really pretty, but plain. Now my client brought these to my home, I want to say 2 to 3 weeks ago. And they just been sitting in the corner. I was waiting for her to send me a picture. She purchased another picture and she wanted me to make this piece match. So what I did was bought some plaster and I'm going to use this, and this goes on pink and it dries white. So this is what I want to use. I also have this trowel and this is what I'm going to use to make my design. Also have this little spatula, and this is for spreading out the plaster. So let's go ahead and get started and see how we can make this work.
Your place be going up. Your place be going up.
Next, I want to take my trowel and I want to drag it through the plaster.
This is the quickest way to clear out stuck poop.
Fiber helps you poop, right? Nope. What about drinking lots of water?
Now I have 8 of the pictures, and each one of them, I want my marks to go in a different direction. So as I add my mortar, I'll take the trowel and I'll drag each of them in different directions. Some of them I'll even do swirl designs. What's so great about this, if you make a mistake, all you have to do is smooth out the plaster and start over.
Yes. Rustle on the beat.
Now here's a closer look at the design. And this is what my client was looking for. She's looking to match it up to some tables that I had did for her earlier and an art piece that she purchased. Now, of course, I can't do exactly that design, but this will work out. So I'm going to finish up the other 6, let them dry, and we'll meet outside for the next step. So I'm back outside. The plaster on my picture has dried overnight and everything looks really, really good. Now this is another style that you haven't seen as of yet. So I'm ready to paint. I bought my Rust-Oleum paint. This is the 2 times or 2X, and this has the primer included. Now this is the best color that I could find to match what she's looking for. So I'm going to spray paint all 8 of these in this color. Time for another design, but before I put the paint on, I'm taking this 5-in-1 tool and I am just scraping away any rough edges on the design before I add my paint.
Yes. Rustle on the beat.
Two down, 6 more to go. I'll see you for the reveal. Here's a reminder of all 8 wall hangings. Here they are very plain without the texture, but we're going to go ahead and make them beautiful. And here they are complete. Here's the textures with the paint added, and you can see the roughness of the texture, but the paint made it really, really smooth. Now, I'm hoping that I'll get a chance to see them in the client's home, and I will show them to you in my next video. And if you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.